Homeowners in McLean know that comfort matters. With humid summers, chilly winters, and everything in between, your home's windows play a major role in how comfortable and affordable your indoor environment feels. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to open, investing in Replacement Windows McLean Homeowners Trust can dramatically improve energy efficiency all year long. Why old windows cost you more than you think? Older windows often lack the insulation and technology needed to handle Virginia's seasonal shifts. Single-pane glass, worn seals, and aging frames allow air to leak in and out of your home. During the summer, cool air from your AC escapes while hot outdoor air seeps in. In winter, heated air slips through gaps, forcing your furnace to work harder. The result? Higher energy bills, uneven room temperatures, and constant strain on your HVAC system. By upgrading to modern Replacement Windows McLean residents rely on, you can significantly reduce air leakage and maintain a more stable indoor climate. Advanced insulation for every season. Today's energy-efficient windows are engineered with advanced features designed to perform year-round. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes of glass create insulating layers that reduce heat transfer. In the winter, they keep warm air inside. In the summer, they block excessive outdoor heat from entering your home. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This means your home stays brighter without overheating during sunny summer days. Gas fills between panes. Argon or krypton gas between panes improves insulation even further. These invisible layers act as thermal barriers, reducing energy loss in both hot and cold weather. When you choose Replacement Windows McLean Homeowners recommend, you're investing in technology built specifically to increase year-round efficiency. Better temperature control in every room. Do certain rooms in your home always feel too hot or too cold? Drafty windows are often the culprit. Poor insulation and broken seals create temperature imbalances that make your HVAC system work overtime. New Replacement Windows McLean properties benefit from are designed to eliminate drafts and maintain consistent temperatures throughout the house. You'll notice fewer hot spots in summer and fewer cold drafts in winter. The result is a home that feels comfortable no matter the season. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading to Replacement Windows McLean homeowners appreciate is the potential for lower energy costs. Because energy-efficient windows reduce heat transfer, your heating and cooling systems don't have to run as often. Over time, those savings add up. Many homeowners see noticeable reductions in their monthly utility bills, especially during peak summer and winter months. Additionally, energy-efficient windows can increase your home's overall value, making them a smart long-term investment. Reduced strain on your HVAC system. When your windows leak air, your HVAC system compensates by running longer cycles. This constant strain can lead to higher maintenance costs and premature wear. By installing high-performance Replacement Windows McLean homes benefit from, you help your heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. With less stress on your equipment, you may experience fewer repairs and a longer system lifespan. Protection from UV damage. Energy efficiency isn't just about temperature. Modern windows also protect your interior from harmful UV rays. Low-E coatings help reduce fading of furniture, flooring, and decor caused by prolonged sun exposure. With Replacement Windows McLean Homeowners Trust, you can enjoy natural light without worrying about long-term damage to your belongings. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows also enhance overall comfort. Better insulation means less outside noise entering your home. Whether you live near a busy road or simply want a quieter indoor space, upgraded windows provide noticeable sound reduction. When you install Replacement Windows McLean residents choose for quality and performance, you create a peaceful, energy-smart living environment. A year-round upgrade for McLean homes. From sweltering summers to cold winter mornings, your windows work hard every day. If they're outdated, they may be costing you more than you realize. Upgrading to Replacement Windows McLean homeowners rely on for efficiency, durability, and performance can transform your home's comfort and energy use. With advanced insulation, lower energy bills, reduced HVAC strain, and improved indoor comfort, new windows deliver benefits in every season. For homeowners in McLean looking to improve efficiency year-round, replacement windows are one of the smartest upgrades you can make.